Crappy aftermarket parts. Why do some of these have to suck so bad? I did a video installing some aftermarket sun visors on this Honda Civic, and let me tell you, it was a complete fail. So I think I got the left and right sun visor for about $35 or $40, but after about, I don't know, I don't even think if it was 2 months. After they were opened a few times, this is the driver's one, it just completely broke in half. So absolute junk. So I actually went and replaced both of them, both of these crappy junk ones, with the actual OEM Honda ones. So now we got genuine Honda ones back in there. There they are. We're back to factory. So the moral of the story is, some aftermarket parts are pretty decent, others are just complete junk. These are complete junk. Stay away from them. Well, that's it for this one. The rant is over now. And as always, if the video helped you out, you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.